Ikigai diet. What the world's longest living people eat. Welcome to my Sunday Reset Diaries, where I share my Sunday routine to reset, recharge, and get ready for a productive week ahead. And good morning! Happy Sunday! Another windy day. Can you even see me? Maybe we should switch to this side. This is insane. Welcome to Ottawa. If you ever wants to travel here. Okay, anyways, let's just dive into it. It's a great day actually. It's very beautiful. It's sunny. It's just super windy. And you know what we decided to do today? It's one of our friends' birthday, so we are gonna go fishing, and then following with that, it's the food. I can't say I've ever fished before. We don't even have the fishing material, to be honest, but our friends had two sets, so we can use it. And I'm not too sure how today is gonna go because it's probably way too windy to fishing, but we'll see. I'm gonna bring my book, I'll have my coffee, my drinks, and I'm just ready to relax because it's Sunday. I feel like Sunday sometimes you should just go out, go to feel the nature and relax and calm and to get ready for the week. Just had a quick change, now we're out. I am with fishing rack. We're ready to go fishing. We're gonna walk there because we live right beside the water, so we're just gonna walk 10-15 minutes, then gonna fish. Damn, all the way over there? Where did it go? We're gonna try it again. It's very windy. Hey! Okay, we're gonna let it go a little bit. I just found a little quiet spot beside the water. And now I am at chapter 7. It's called the Ikigai diet. What the world's longest living people eat and drink. It's going to be a fun chapter. And let's read. On to next spot, because the other spot it was too many rocks and the water is just super high, super wavy too. I mean, here should be fine. We don't know yet. We just try it out. On that note, I haven't finished my chapter yet, so I am going to do that. I read half the chapter. Basically, it says the Ikigai diet is eating wide variety of food, and they do eat actually 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. They also barely eat sugar, and they eat a lot of grains as foundation of their diet. Yeah, that's why they live so long. Sugar is hard. I like sweet food, especially North American. Dessert, it's kind of the must of your meal, especially dinner and you have people over. How can you not have dessert, right? Just to finish the chapter, the other half of the chapter is talking about what they're eating, what they're drinking as well. So they drink green tea, jasmine tea. It helps you to lower the cholesterol. It also helps you to relieve the stress. They also list out the 15 main foods that they were eating. We can list out here. And one of them is tofu, and I'm just like so happy because tofu is it's like part of my main diet because I wasn't really eating meat for longest time. Seeing like tofu on my list, I'm just like so happy. After fishing, we are having some chicken burgers. I got mild. I was just a little scared to get hot. First bite. The chicken is like very crispy and juicy. They also have pickle inside. I love pickle. Some fries. It's so good. No luck for fishing, so we just had some lunch. The sandwich was amazing. It was so big. And then we went home, we changed the bikini inside. Now we're going to the beach and continue reading the book and relax. It's an outdoor day. Oh, there's a duck. What a great way to end my Sunday. It's so relaxing, although we didn't fish anything, but that was okay. Still very good experience, and I hope you enjoyed it. Also, I really hope you can take some time as well to go to outdoor, to feel the nature, to relax. Have a great week ahead. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!